Welcome to VocabTales, where stories speak and words come alive. Today's tale, a battle of brothers, a clash of pride and peace. The story of Kuber and Ravana. Kuber, the god of wealth, ruled Golden Lanka with wisdom, grace, and a flying chariot called the Pushpak Viman. But far away, in the silence of the forest, his half-brother Ravana was plotting, burning with envy, thirsting for power. Why should Kuber have it all? Ravana roared, "The throne, the glory, the skies, they should be mine." Ravana's prayers shook the heavens, and Lord Shiva answered. With newfound strength, Ravana attacked Lanka, defeated Kuber, and snatched the Pushpak Viman for himself. But Kuber, he didn't strike back. He chose peace over power, because real wealth is in the heart. And while Ravana ruled in fear, Kuber rose in silence. Pride can steal a kingdom, but it can never buy peace. This was VocabTales, where every story teaches and every word inspires. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch till the end for more magical myths and timeless truths.